Is immortality more of a curse rather than a blessing? What do you think? Welcome to CASSEY'S Spotlight. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the top 10 immortal creatures. For many years, humans have sought absolutely everything in order to attain immortality. This endeavor includes the search for the so-called fountain of youth, and even pressing cadavers in hope preserving and bringing them to life in the future. Apparently, there are already many plant and animal species that are seemingly deathless. Number 10. Sea anemones, lifespan 100 years. Technically, sea anemones don't actually live that long, but with favorable environmental conditions, they can survive more than 100 years. This is because when one of their tentacles or even their head gets cut, they can regenerate them into new ones. Number 9. Zombie bugs. Zombie bug lifespan immortal unless predation. These bugs are very resilient to freezing as they have special proteins in their blood that prevents this from happening. While their hearts and brains are not that resistant to freezing and can die when completely frozen, they can be revived to life when thawed out. Number 8. Tardigrades or water bear. Water bear lifespan up to century. Also known as tardigrades, water bears are possibly the toughest animal in the planet. This creature, though very tiny, not more than 1.5 mm, can survive extreme conditions like boiling water or freezing water, cutting, dying, or even putting them into outer space. In addition to this, they can tolerate extreme radiation and can stop their metabolism for a long time and come back to life when they get into contact with water. Number 7. Glass sponge. The lifespan of the glass sponge is 15,000 years. Although they're not necessarily deathless due to some inevitable instances like being eaten by predators, some species of glass sponges can survive up to more than 15,000 years. This is because some species can control the growth of their specules, mineralized structures at a very slow rate, hence slowing down their aging process. Number 6. Planarian. The lifespan of planarian is immortal. According to studies, the hydra is one of the few animals that does not show any sign of deterioration with age, being able to continuously divide and regenerate new body cells. Hydras can basically keep themselves young for long periods of time, even until forever. Number 5. Immortal jellyfish. The lifespan of this is immortal unless disease or predation. Did you ever wonder if you could go back to being a child? This species of jellyfish can. Found in waters of Japan and Mediterranean Sea, the immortal jellyfish is the only animal which can go back to being sexually immature after reaching maturity. This process can be indefinite as long as the jellyfish doesn't die of either disease or predation. Number 4. Red Sea Urchin. The lifespan of red sea urchin is 200 plus years. Living on seaweeds in shallow waters, the red sea urchin is considered to be practically immortal. Although amazing as this may sound, scientists say these urchins can never stop growing but don't get old. While they can live up to more than 100-year-old, some reach up to 200 years given that the environmental conditions are good. Number 3. Bowhead whale. The lifespan of bowhead whale is more than 100 years. Aside from their humongous size, another astonishing fact about bowhead whales is that they can live up to more than 100 years. The secret is they can repair damaged DNA, hence are prevented from developing cancer. Scientists also suggested that these whales can survive the absence of oxygen even for a long time. Number 2. Clams. The lifespan of clams is 400 more years. Believe it or not, some species of clams can live up to more than 400 years. Scientists are explained that their long lifespan can be attributed to a process called slow cell replacement. But at present, there are still no reasons stating what makes them mature at a slow rate. This process too is still up for further studies. Number 1. Aldabra giant tortoise. The lifespan of giant tortoise is 255 years confirmed. As their name suggests, these tortoises are one of the largest species of tortoises in the world. These tortoises take very long time to grow as they do not reach sexual maturity until over 30-year-old. The oldest confirmed age of a tortoise was 255 years. This tortoise was Adwaita at Alipur Zoological Garden in Kolkata, India. However, scientists have revealed that some may have persisted twice that age. And last but not the least, the most immortal of them all, the bedyloid. Bedyloid lifespan is 100 million years immortal. Bedyloids are a group of freshwater rotifers, zooplankton that can be considered immortal, in a sense that can tolerate extreme conditions like high heat, low temperature, and extreme pressure. Furthermore, they can also enter a state of hibernation and come back when they wish to do so. Thanks for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye!